Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Binance to bank account step by step. First, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. Before withdrawing, make sure your account is fully verified and that you have completed the KYC verification process. If your funds are currently in cryptocurrency, you'll first need to convert them into fiat currency. To do this, go to the trade section, select the crypto you want to sell, and convert it into a supported currency such as USD, EUR, or another option available in your region. Once your funds are in fiat currency, go to Wallet and select Funding Wallet or Fiat and Spot Wallet, then tap on Withdraw. Next, choose the fiat withdrawal option, select the currency you want to withdraw and continue to the next step. Now choose your withdrawal method, depending on your country. After selecting the method, enter your bank account details carefully. Make sure the name on your bank account matches the name on your Binance account to avoid withdrawal issues. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review the withdrawal fees, estimated processing time, and all account details before proceeding. Finally, click Confirm Withdrawal. Binance may ask for two-factor authentication or email verification for security purposes. Complete the verification process and submit your request. Processing times can vary from a few minutes to several business days depending on your withdrawal method and location.